Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am showing you an amazing new app setup that lets you watch brand new movies and TV shows completely free. No subscription, no hidden fees, just pure entertainment on your Fire Stick. Plus, I have a quick step-by-step installation guide coming up that takes just a few minutes. You are watching TechVibes. If you want to keep these apps running smoothly without any annoying buffering, make sure to use NordVPN on your device. Check out the installation link right down in the description and top pinned comment. So, why does your Plex app buffer constantly or fail to load the latest live guide data? It usually comes down to data throttling from your internet provider or heavy memory clutter on the default system networks. Let us fix that right now and turn your Fire Stick into a premium $0 streaming powerhouse. Step 1. Clear out your device storage clutter to open up processor memory. Go to your settings menu on the home screen. Click on Applications, select Manage Installed Applications. Scroll down to Plex, click on it and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary data blocks instantly. It makes your entire user interface feel super snappy. Step 2. Force stop background data hogs. While you are inside the Manage Installed Applications menu, look for any unused applications that run constantly in the background. Click on them and choose Force Stop. This frees up your system RAM immediately. It keeps your device processing power focused entirely on your movie streams. Step 3. Download the official Plex application. Check this out. It is a total game changer with over 50,000 free on-demand titles and more than 600 live channels. Go to the Find section on your home screen, search for Plex, click Download. Once it installs, open the application. Step 4. Bypass the login screen to access content faster. Launch Plex and click on the Sign In Later option at the bottom. This lets you skip the registration process entirely. Navigate straight to the free movies and live TV section on the left sidebar to access premium studio hits completely legal. Step 5. Pin your favorite media hubs for an optimal layout. Hover over the free live TV or on-demand tabs inside the main menu. Click the option button on your remote control. Choose Pin to Sidebar. This keeps all the $0 content right on your main dashboard layout. It is an absolute no-brainer for fast channel surfing. Step 6. Configure your advanced network connection settings to stop provider throttling. Go back to your main settings. Click on Network. Hover over your current connection and click Forget Network. Reconnect to your router, but choose the advanced option this time. Manually set your primary DNS to DNS 8.8.8.8. Set your secondary DNS to DNS 8.8.4.4. This routes your traffic directly through the Google public servers. Step 7. Adjust your remote quality streaming parameters inside the application. Open the Plex internal settings menu. Go to Quality. Change the remote streaming video quality from the standard low configuration to maximum. This forces the app to deliver the cleanest picture format available without artificial downscaling bottlenecks. Step 8. Configure your audio and hardware settings for maximum performance. Go to Main Settings. Click on Display and Sounds. Set your resolution to auto-match original frame rate. If you use a streaming soundbar or home theater receiver, make sure your high-speed data cable is plugged into a port labeled HDMI 2.1. For wireless internet setups, always connect your device to the 5 GHz wireless network, instead of the older 2.4 GHz band to maximize your download capacity. Here is a quick pro tip to keep your new setup running at maximum speed. Go into your Preferences menu, click on Privacy Settings, turn off device usage data and turn off Collect App Usage Data. Go to Data Monitoring and turn it off completely. This stops background tracking scripts from running. It saves your internal processor power for perfect video playback. Drop a comment below if you face any difficulty during the setup. I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. If this video saved you some cash, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechVibes. You can absolutely turn your streaming device into a free powerhouse today. See you in the next one.